Hey everyone, I wasn't planning on releasing a video today, but we'll look at that nice stack. But today I messed up and crashed the excavator. I tipped it onto the side. It was all my fault. I did things you should not do with an excavator, and I learned from it. I was able to recover it on my own. So today's video will be about how I did that, and then you guys can make fun of me at the end. All right, here we go. So things have not exactly gone to plan today. I tilted my excavator over by swinging a log around. It's all user error. Hit the ground, flipped over, and then the excavator followed. So I tied 3 logs to it to get some mechanical advantage. I have a winch over here, and then yeah, we'll see how this goes. Thanks. I just want to add a few more details about the rope systems here. So yes, there's an electric winch attached to the tree. However, the primary way of tilting it over is the mechanical advantage from the 3 trees that are tied to the excavator and then going down to the Tesla. I also have a strap going from the top track over to the container that I'm using for progress capture. So my plan so far has magically worked. So I was able to pull it up here with the farm Tesla, and doesn't look like much damage. Those 2 ropes going up there, over to the car. I'm gonna do some progress capture here as well as there, and see if I can't start it up, swing the boom over so that I can get it all the way down. From here, what I'm planning to do is use this electric winch and finished it from there. I put some logs underneath so the fall wouldn't be too big. I would ideally slow down the fall by capturing the progress from the other side. However, I don't have anything else right now. So here we go, let's give it a try. Okay, that winch just got stuck. Let me see what I can do. New plan. So that's a safety switch that got triggered on my winch because it's at a weird angle. So instead I'm going to take this ratchet, let's attach over here to my storage, and see if I can bring it down that way. All right, here we go. It's about to tip, it looks like. It's very close. There it goes. Whew! Okay, not the best day, but good practice. Once I got it on the side here, I saw a bunch of oil, which was to be expected. I hope nothing's broken inside, but probably is. Let's have a look. Where's all this oil coming from? It is hard to tell. Let's see. It could be just hydraulic fluid. That's hydraulic fluid. Okay. All right, I think we might be good. Let's see if we can drive it off of this. So this is the moment of truth. I built a small ramp right here. I'm gonna try to fire up, move the boom over towards the high side, and then drive it down. Let's give it a go. This is actually not crushed. It was loose. I was just missing the nut here before the accident. So, all right, let's give it a go. Let's try it. Okay. So let's preheat it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fires up. Let's slowly move this over. Alright. Okay, now I feel a lot better. That should be stable. We got a lot of oil leaking out, but we'll drive it off and then try it from there. So here's what led me to the accident today. This tree right here has one of these anchors in it from having a zip line there. But it was installed such a long time ago that it is way inside of here. So for the other log, I just attached the log to the edge here of the excavator and lifted it up, and it just pulled right out, and here it is. However, this one was not as heavy, so when I started lifting, it just didn't fall off. So I figured, hey, why don't I just swing it to the side a little bit? Well, that's probably horrible for my excavator, for one. The other is, one end was heavier than the other, so when I swung it to the left, that end hit the ground right over here. Then it tipped over like this, over that way, and then just pulled the excavator right over. Luckily for me, there's zero damage to the cab that I can see right now. So all user error. Definitely didn't deserve for this to go as well as it did, but sometimes you get lucky. I am learning. Summary time. So excavator's good, no damage other than just some beauty marks. You can see the reflective tape has had better days, and a little bit of paint gone on the door, but that is not bad for taking the spill that we did today. I'm glad I was able to get it back up and that no one got hurt. And yeah, sometimes you just gotta break a few eggs to make an omelet. In that case, I almost killed all the chickens, but you know, it worked out. So tomorrow, we're gonna have some guys come out here to mill all this lumber. I got 82 logs. So we're gonna mill it into siding and 2x4s, 2x6, and some internal ceiling for the house. So I hope you check that out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.